Episode 40, Creating Standard Operating Procedures, SOPs. Welcome to Start Your Business Today. In this episode, we're diving into an essential aspect of running a successful business, creating standard operating procedures, or SOPs. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your operations or wished for smoother processes, this is the training for you. Let's get started. What is an SOP? First, let's define what an SOP is. A standard operating procedure, or SOP, is a set of written instructions that outline how to perform a specific task or activity within your organization. Keywords: defined, standard operating procedure, SOP. Documented processes that detail how to carry out tasks consistently. Consistency. Achieving the same result every time a task is performed. Efficiency. Completing tasks quickly with minimal waste. SOPs can help reduce errors, ensure compliance, and save time, which ultimately enhances your business efficiency. Importance of SOPs. Now, why are SOPs so important? Here are a few key reasons. Quality control ensures consistent quality in products or services. Training new employees eases onboarding by providing clear instructions. Compliance helps meet regulatory and legal standards. Efficiency streamlines operations and reduces the time taken to complete tasks. Having SOPs in place allows teams to focus on more strategic initiatives rather than getting bogged down in routine tasks. Key steps to developing SOPs. Let's dive into the key steps to creating an effective SOP. Follow along as we explore each step in detail. 1. Identify the task to document. Start by identifying which processes or tasks need SOPs. Focus on those that are critical to your operations, frequently performed or prone to errors. 2. Gather information. Next, gather information on the task. Talk to team members who regularly perform the task to understand the best practices and challenges they face. 3. Choose the format. Choose a format for your SOP. Common formats include checklists, flowcharts, and step-by-step guides. Select one that fits your business style and the complexity of the task. Draft the SOP. Now comes the fun part, drafting your SOP. Use clear and concise language. Begin with an introduction outlining the purpose and scope of the SOP, followed by detailed steps, and conclude with any relevant documentation or references. Example format: title page, name of the procedure, version number, date, introduction, purpose and scope, procedure, step-by-step instructions, roles and responsibilities, who is responsible for each step, references, any related documents or resources. Tips for writing SOPs. Writing SOPs can be tricky. Here are some tips to make the process smoother and more effective. Write in active voice, always use active voice when writing. Instead of saying, reports are generated by the manager, say, the manager generates the reports. This clearly identifies who is responsible. Be specific and detailed, provide detailed instructions. When specifying steps, avoid vague terms like handle or process. Instead, use specific actions, such as fill out the form or check the inventory count. Include visuals. Consider including visuals like screenshots, diagrams, or flowcharts. This enhances understanding and ensures clarity. Review for clarity. Once your draft is complete, have others review it, preferably those who perform the task. They can provide valuable feedback to catch any missed details. Version control. Establish a version control system. Every time you update the SOP, ensure the new version is clearly labelled and the outdated versions are archived. Validation and training. The next step is validation and training. 1. Validate the SOP. Run a few trial runs of the procedure as outlined in the SOP. Gather feedback to ensure it works effectively and make necessary adjustments. 2. Train your team or organise a training session with your team. Walk them through the SOP, highlight key points, and address any questions. This ensures everyone is on the same page. Third, monitor compliance. After implementation, monitor compliance. Conduct regular check-ins to ensure that the SOP is being followed correctly and consistently. 4. Regular updates. SOPs aren't set in stone. They need to evolve. Regularly review and update them to reflect any changes in processes, technology, or business regulations. Common pitfalls to avoid. Now, let's talk about common pitfalls to avoid when developing SOPs. Overcomplicating the process. Don't make your SOPs too complex. Keep language simple and instructions straightforward to ensure ease of understanding. Neglecting input from employees, or always involve your team in the SOP creation process. Those who do the task daily have invaluable insights. Ignoring compliance or ensure your SOPs comply with any relevant regulations, particularly if your business operates in a highly regulated industry. Failure to communicate updates. So whenever you update an SOP, communicate those changes clearly to all relevant staff members. Training is key. Skipping the review process, or never skip the review process. Feedback is crucial for creating effective and practical SOPs. Successful SOP implementation. Let's look at a brief case study on the impact of SOPs. A small catering company, Delicious Bites, implemented SOPs for their event planning process. Initial challenge: they struggled with inconsistent food quality and missed deadlines. Implementation of SOPs: they created detailed SOPs for food sourcing, cooking, and delivery. Results: within 6 months, Delicious Bites saw a 30% increase in customer satisfaction and a significant reduction in errors. This demonstrates how effective SOPs can directly impact customer experience and business growth. Closing thoughts and next steps. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to create SOPs, it's time to take action. Identify the key processes in your business that need standard operating procedures. Start drafting your first SOP today. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Comment below with your SOP creation experiences or any questions you have. Until next time, keep striving for success. And remember that a well-run business begins with solid procedures.